Welcome to the HTML sender. With this module, you can create newsletters and send them out to the users who have signed up for your newsletter. In the module, we have create, which we use to create the newsletters and also send them out. Mails, which contains all the newsletters you have ever created. And the mail log, which contains information about how many of the users have received your newsletters and when they were sent out. Under create, we have design, which was customized to you with the help of your account consultant. You have the subject, which will be the subject in the mail that your customers can see. Send an email, where you fill in the email account that you want the customers to see on which you're sending out. Name of the sender. If you want it to be a bit more clear who is sending the newsletter, you can always type in a name of the sender. Then you have the headline and the main text of your newsletter. These are optional and depends on your mail template. Some are set up only to use the headline and the main text, while other templates are created using sections. So if you fill out the different fields, in this case I'm not going to type anything in the headline nor the main text because of the mail template. I just click next, and in here we have sections where you can add a headline, a text, a link text, and a link URL. This is created mainly like an article with its separate sections. So we have a headline and a main text for it. The link text could be FTP and the URL. This way, the URL will be shown as just MCP. We can add an image to the section if we want to. Just press here and find an image that you want to use. Upload it, edit it if you want to, and press finish. Now we have the first section. If you want to add more sections, we just press new section. We can add another headline, a new main text, and in this case we're not going to add a link. Once you have created as many sections as you like, press continue. Here we select which of the following groups you want to send the mail out to. You have how many there is in the different groups, and you just check the checkboxes on the ones you want to send to. If this was a real newsletter, I'll send them out to the newsletter group, which contains 434. Have that one checked. A bit further down, we can either choose between express mail or the standard mail. Express mail is sent out within a few minutes, whereas the standard mail will only be sent after midnight. Also, you have the option, if you want to check how your newsletter looks like, you can press show email, and here's how the newsletter will look like. The image of the first section with the headline, the main text, and the link, and the headline number 2 and the main text 2. Also, of course, there's the link to, if you don't want to receive the newsletter anymore, customers can click this link. Once you have checked that everything looks like it's okay, we close the tab, check the checkbox, select when to send the mail, and press send email. Under mails, you have a list of all the newsletters you ever created. In this case, we have 2 tests and another one created by the company. In here, you can always delete them or edit them. This is just to make it easy for you if you create a newsletter that you only have to make minor changes to send out the next one. Then you can always reuse the old one, make the minor changes, and send it out again. Once you click edit, you have the options to go back into the mail, change what you need to change, and send it out like before. The mail log contains the ID of the newsletter, the subject of the newsletter, when it was sent, and how much it cost. You can also see how much you have spent in total sending out the newsletters.